An experience that sparks curiosity. Let's watch this short video. Let's picture this. We hold a cold water bottle in our right hand and a hot water bottle in our left for a while. Then we place both down and pick up a bottle of normal water with both hands. Would we notice any difference in how each hand feels? Just a thought. Why do things feel warm or cold? Come, let's observe, question, and explore. Discover more experiences, activities that inspire thinking, encourage questioning. Connect with Agastya Virtual School. 100+ simple, powerful videos for science and math for classes 6 to 10. It's completely free. Register now.